Hello, my name is Kimboy Lafstron. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you three different common ways in which you could style your React components. There is the inline styling, just like the inline CSS, where you write style equals some, then you pass it as a prop. You can see there is color equals red for the H1 for that page. This is just a project that I've created, and it has like 3 pages. There is the first page, second page, third page, uh, with a navigation with it. There is a nav link, and I'll use it to show you this how you could style. So we are going to style the H1. As you can see, I've written style, then pass the styling as a prop, and now I'm just going to run our React application. Then we can maybe see in our server, in our browser. Later on, I'm also going to explain another way of styling. There is the one that you import. You normally import from external, just like external CSS in normal CSS. And there is another one called modules, where you need to initialize it as a module. And you can as you can see, it's running, and it's styled as red H1. So I'm going to style the second header from our second page, just the same way as we did in the first. We're going to write style, then pass it as a prop with two parentheses. Color is equals green, and let's just check it out. And as you can see, our header, our H1, is now from the second page is green. Yeah, that is how you could use I don't know, inline CSS in React. It's pretty similar. Yeah, you can see just the same. And now I'm going to just get rid of it. Then we can try another style, another way of styling. So what I'm going to demonstrate, I'm just going to create a new file. I'm going to demonstrate the module. I'm going to call it mystyle.module.css. You can call it anything you want, but ensure that you finish it with .module.css as an extension. This one is useful because it can be shared between one file and also another file. So we want to style our H1. That's how we can just style it. Let me put it as color is red. Maybe I can just change that to dot primary. You can use any name that is just like a class. Then now we're going to come to our page. Then we're going to import that CSS page, CSS file to our page. We're going to say import styles from ./mystyle. Import styles from ./mystyle.module.css. Yeah, then this is how we're going to style it. We're going to say class name equals styles dot the the component that we called it, I mean the class that we named it primary, styles.primary, just that one, this one, yeah, primary. Then likewise we can also as you can see it's red, just the initial. Likewise we can color the second we can also reuse the same CSS style in our second page. We just need to import it as we did earlier. Import styles from my style.module.css. Then we're going to now put it as style equals class name equals, then we pass it as a prop styles.primary. Okay, let's see if it's working. Oh yeah, that is it. I can see it's saying failed to compile. Let's try I'll fix that right now. Okay, yeah, that is it. I'm going to fix that. So we're supposed to write import styles from /mystyle.module.css, not comma css. I'm just going to correct that in a while. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it, .css. And then you can see now it's running. So when you go to the second page, we expect it to see red, just like in the first header, the first h1. Yeah, that is it. You can see it's now reusable. The module.css you can reuse, and when I try to change that to green, I will expect the second page to change to green. Yeah, that is it. You can see this is the second page, and also the first to change also to green. So that's how you can use modules. And right now I'm just going to demonstrate external CSS, the way we do style, just like the way we normally do external CSS in our normal CSS. So that one you need to create a file by with an extension .css in the end. Then you can just write your styles as normal CSS. For h1 color will be blue. Okay, maybe we could add some margin or something. Let's say margin maybe I don't know, 10 pixels. Margin top of 50. Let's add 50 and see. So we expect now our h1s to be blue, but now I'm going to get rid of that and import our new file, the one that I called style.css. Then I'll try to check if it works the same as the other one, style.css. Then that one now we're going to use I'm going to get rid of that because I styled it as h1. We expect our h1 to be styled. Yeah, you can see the second page is not just styled, but we need to so to do that we need to import let me get rid of that. We need to import that file, the styles.css, into our page. Then we could now act on our page. So okay, let's see that. Let me get rid of that. Okay, okay, let's see. Yeah, that is it. You can see now it's now styling. So those are just like the common ways in which most people normally style the CSS files, and maybe you could use if you were not aware. At least now you know. So I feel like there are different people know. I mean, there are more ways to style a CSS component, I mean React components, and you can apply there might be other methods in which maybe you could research, but I just decided to explain these three that mostly common. Thank you for watching. Maybe you could leave a like or subscribe. Thank